I wonder what content should we make today. PerryParts? Hey guys, Oblax Media here, and today we're going to install some new bump stops from PerryParts. This is the Gen 2s. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Here's the first item. That's for the rears. So hardware are included. And two for the front. So these are interchangeable, but these ones are labeled. So this one is driver and passenger. There's a label up here. Very nice. 3D printed bump stops. We're gonna install it on the GX. Let's get to it. Alright, so first we're gonna remove the wheel. Just got these new wheels from SSW. Shout out SSW Off-Road. Alright, so here it is, the old PerryParts Gen 1 bump stops. So we're gonna replace it with the new one, Gen 2s. And to remove it, there's a 14mm bolt screwed in up here. So you just need a 14mm. There you go, 14mm socket. Here's the comparison between the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. Much longer bolt, but the bump stop itself is almost the same height. This one with the new logo. I mean, I've had this for a bit, the Gen 1s, and performed great on the trail. Had no problem with it, but we'll put on the Gen 2s and see. So that one as well is 14mm. All right, there it is. That's it. Just need a 14mm socket. Tighten that up. We'll do the rears next. All right, so here we are at the rear passenger. This is the old Gen 1 bump stop. It's labeled right here. It says passenger. So now we're going to put this Gen 2s. So you just need a 12mm socket here. Very straightforward. I took off the wheel actually, depending on how much lift you have and the wheel offset. I've installed these without having to take off the wheel, but just so I can show you guys, I've taken the wheel off, so it's much easier. Alright, it's finally off, and installation is the same thing, reverse. It's also 12 mil. Just gonna go in like that. I'm gonna use a gun this time, just so it's easier. There you go. That's it. So the install is the same. So for the front passenger, it's the same thing on the driver, and the rear passenger is the same as the rear driver. It's 12 mil in the back, 14 mil in the front. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. The installation of the new PerryParts Gen 2 bump stops. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.